How to use Telegram without phone number. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use Telegram without phone number. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as of right now, there is still no way to use Telegram without phone number because if you click on the login screen, it will ask for your phone number right here. Now, if you don't want to use your own phone number, then I suggest that you head over to your browser and then create a new tab, and then from in here just search for receive SMS online until you can see this thing right here, the receive-smss.com. So click on that, and then once you're in here you can just scroll down, and then in here you can use these phone numbers. So as you can see, there's Philippines, there's United States, United Kingdom, and all of that. So what you can do is you can just choose a phone number that you want to use. For example, let's choose this one right here. Click on open, and then from in here you can see your phone number, and in here you can see the texts that are sent to this specific phone number. So what you need to do is to just click this phone number right here in order to copy it. Click to copy, and now once you have copied that, what you need to do next is to head over to your Telegram and then paste it in here, and then it will send a code to this specific number. You can just click on this update messages in order to receive the code that Telegram has sent you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Telegram without phone number. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.